Now we are going to see Bosch Professional GWS 600 angle grinder. We'll be checking on the product. It costs around 2050 and this is a Bosch reward coupon and this is a part number. And this is a manufacturing and importing detail and MRP detail all shown here. Now we will check on the product and what we are having. Now we are breaking the seal. Okay, what we are having, there is a one manual. This is a machine. Bosch GWS 600. On the specifications, on this is a warranty card, and user manual. This is a scope and the side handle on the spanner on the wheel washers. Now we'll just assemble this. Okay, now the handle attached. Now we are putting the washers. This is for additional protection, must use. Now perfectly attached handle and safety cuff, everything. We will check. Yeah, now it's your working condition, ready for work. User can change the handle which direction they wanted, right or left. Okay, let me check with the working demo. It's working, yeah, sounds good.